European property markets. We have seen recently that European property markets has been divided quite a bit between the gateway cities, meaning London, Frankfurt and Paris, which are more or less overheated. Especially London is very overheated, and the other part of the Europe and the other cities in those countries are more or less on the long-term average pricing. The fundamental values are on the long-term average. Short-term forecast from our side looks that Europe is doing pretty well. It's a stable or even increasing growth for the property markets. There is a huge appetite from the international investors from all over the world to take a closer look for the markets at the moment. We have seen investors coming from US, from South America, from Asian countries, and they have invested into the London first, and seems to be that now they are looking for Frankfurt, Paris and other cities. For ourselves, the market is obviously very challenging how to invest the money and take the best of that market for our investors. We see that second-tier cities like here in France, Marseille, Lyon and so forth are maybe the better places to invest at the moment than Paris and the core Paris. But on the other hand, you need to make sure that you are investing into the right type of assets you are looking for and what are suitable for your own risk appetite. We do see that some investors are still willing to invest into the core markets because 3 and 4% yields and the cash flows, stable cash flows are enough for them. But on the other hand, the number of investors are looking for those second-tier markets and they are looking for higher yields. So it's up to the investors' risk appetite where you want to invest, but generally speaking, we do see that the continental Europe as well as UK is in a pretty good shape at the moment. French property market